Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to check Spotify stats. So the Spotify app does not provide you any details here. So all you need to do is go for your Google browser. Then you have to search here, stats for Spotify. Then go for in this very first link. Now you can see here is all of your Spotify details. So if you don't logged in this page, so you have to log in first. After that you can see like this page. So now you can go for in this tree line and you can go for recently played. Okay. Okay. Okay, now you can see here is the all details of your uh, Spotify. So this is how you can check Spotify stats. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.